welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today comparing photos taken with the GoPro Hero 8 Black and the DJI Osmo Action. Comparing two photos taken in the automatic settings, you can see that the GoPro image tends to be darker than the one taken by the DJI. On the other hand, the sky on the Osmo tends to be overexposed. Here we have the original images cropped into 400%. When it comes to the amount of detail that you are able to see in each image, I think both cameras are on the same level. I cannot see one with clear advantage here. When it comes to the colors, in my opinion the photos that come out of the Hero 8 are more appealing. The ones from the DJI are a little more faded. Here you can observe again what I pointed before. The GoPro image has more dark areas, but the Osmo totally blows up the sky. If you set the GoPro to the HDR output, you now have more light in the darker areas. And you don't have an overexposed sky here. This is the image in the super photo setting. I don't see any difference to the HDR. The DJI offers the possibility to shoot a sequence of 5 images with different exposure values. You can choose your favorite afterwards. In my opinion, the original image is the best, and none is a better result than the HDR photo from the GoPro.